Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes delete user account in Windows 10 using PowerShell. Type PowerShell on search bar. Right-click, Run as administrator. Type get-localUser, press Enter key. Displays all user account, including administrator account. I want to delete user account. Type, Remove-LocalUser, space, name, space, double quotes, new user. Press Enter key. New user is removed successfully. Type get-localUser, press Enter key. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.